Hey, what's up, guys? Kyle Jones from Jones Sport Fishing here with your fishing report for it is the 15th of February. So 15th February, day after Valentine's Day. Hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. We had a good one here at our house. But other than that, here's your fishing report for this last week. So we fished Monday through Wednesday. And then we took Thursday, Friday, and Saturday off because it was ridiculously cold. And we know from experience that when it gets like that, it's just flat out miserable to be fishing. But Monday and Tuesday were both pretty darn good. We had a couple of good days catching steelhead. We were side drifting on Monday, and then a couple of boats did pretty darn good back trolling on Monday as well. So I jumped in the back troll game and had a pretty darn good morning before my guys had to head back to Montana on Monday. Or I guess on Tuesday, back trolling on Tuesday, and it was good. Fast forward to Winter Storm 2021, all of a sudden winter decided to be here, so which is awesome and a pain in the rear as well. We took Thursday, Friday, Saturday off. We had temperatures, we had lows in the single digits on Thursday and Friday, and it was only a low of like 10 or 11 on Saturday. So we took those days off. Jumped back on the water today, expecting things to be a little bit warmer, and we got absolutely hammered with snow. So I was up at 3:15 this morning, making sure that I got the boat cleared off and ready to go, and got down to the ramp and had chains on, and we went in the water, and fishing was pretty tough today. We had a lot of ice flows from the upper river. I fished up at Pink House up at Orofino, and there was a lot of ice flowing from the upper river. That made things a little tough in a couple of the holes that we've been doing really well out of, but we dropped down a little lower, and we did manage to pick up one beautiful fish. I'm not sure. Some of you guys probably saw it on our social posts earlier today. Big old 37-inch Clearwater hatchery fish. It was pretty awesome. So, I mean, we got hammered by the weather today. I mean, it was snowing 7 different directions, and the ramp was just an absolute nightmare. I know Barry and I both broke tire chains trying to get out of there, and so that was pretty frustrating. But anyway, looking forward to this week. Temperatures start warming up, and so that's a good thing. They start warming up overnight. We get this winter storm warning in effect through Wednesday, so we expect Wednesday to get a little bit warmer. Next couple of days, we're going to be pounding on this weather front. But we're fishing. There's some huge fish to be caught, and we're kind of entering the last month of our season. We're going to fish up through the 13th of March. So we've got some open days that first week and a half of March or so. So and also some open days in February. I know Barry's boat's open a little bit here and there. So make sure you guys get with us, get these trips booked, man. I mean, some of our best fishing is always this last couple weeks of February. You know, we're going to get, when all this stuff starts mellowing out, we're going to get this water. This water's going to bump and get high, and we're going to have some unbelievable days. When that happens, we're not sure. But if you land on that day, the fishing could be absolutely out of control. But anyway, guys, we appreciate it. If you're headed this way and you're going to be here in the next couple days, do not come up here unless you're prepared to use your tire chains, because these ramps are full of snow. I mean, 4 or 5 inches of snow on top of the ramp. You know, just be really careful. Be prepared for what you're getting into, and be prepared to deal with it, because it makes things complicated, and there's nothing worse than doing a backwards slide down a boat ramp with a boat attached, praying that you're not going to jackknife and dump everything. But anyway, we got a good week ahead of us. Fishing should be good. We're prepared to deal with the weather, and so we'll catch you guys later. Have fun out there. Make sure you subscribe. Catch you later, guys. Thank you. Bye.